Right, this is a little test on the beach in Scotland in February, and the wind is blowing across the camera, and I've got the Rode video mic on the horseshoe above the camera. I'm now going to take the microphone off. Okay, this is on the microphone built into the camera. I'll do another test in a second from a windier location, but just to see how it is down here on the beach. Okay, this is another test of the Canon 7X Mark III using an external microphone. For this test I'm using a Rode Video Micro. As you can see, it's really windy. I've got my face into the wind, and the microphone is actually placed around about 5 to 6 inches above the camera, so it's actually pointing over my head, to be honest, but hopefully this cuts down a lot of the wind noise. I'm now going to take out the microphone jack, which will switch over to the internal microphone. So let's see how it goes. The wind's just died actually, so let's unplug it. Okay, so the wind's back up again, and this is using the internal microphone. Haven't changed position, looking exactly the same direction, still looking into the wind, and the wind is actually taking my breath away. Oh, I'm going to plug the other microphone back in now while the wind's blowing. And there we go, that's back on the other microphone now. The camera is around about arm's length from me. I'm actually in a place called Stonehaven, which is on the east coast of Scotland, just below Aberdeen, and it is February the 1st, 2020. I'll just pan around so you can see my view. It's a beautiful morning here in Scotland. I'm in a camper van, and I camped last night on the quayside. You won't see it, but the camper van is basically directly over my shoulder, and the time here is roughly 0900. Beautiful sunrise there. So this is another little test of the capabilities of the Rode Video Micro on top of the Canon G7X Mark III. I've got the little spit guard wind deflector thing on, and the microphone's actually facing backwards towards me. And we're here on the east coast of Scotland in a place called Anstruther, and it's blowing around about a force 6, as you can see by the white caps on the waves. It is fairly choppy out there, to be honest, and I'm actually stood facing into the wind. So I'm now going to turn round so the actual microphone's facing into the wind and show you the view of the harbour. And I don't know what the wind is sounding like on the microphone, but the wind is now on my back, so the microphone is taking the full brunt of the wind. So I'll be interested to see what it's like.